In this video, I am going to show you how to buy stars on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the video section which is present on your tab bar at the bottom left side of your screen. Now on the video section, you have to tap on the comment bar which is present at the right side of your screen. In the comment section, you will see the star icon which is present on the comment bar, so you have to tap on that. Now from here, you will be able to see all sorts of gifts which you can give to the creator. So if you want to buy stars, you have to tap on the star icon which is present at the right side of your screen. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this page. So from this page, you can now buy stars from real money. For example, if you wish to buy 45 stars for rupees 300, you have to simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to the payment section. Now, on your iPhone, you have to double click on your power button to proceed with the payment, and you will be able to easily receive the stars in your Facebook account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.